watching out for you. This is Storm Team 8.
Good morning, West Michigan. 6:42 now on this what will end up being a wet Wednesday. More rain coming in, another half-inch to inch of rainfall across the area. Localized flooding issues are going to become a huge concern over the next several days as those water levels continue to rise. We picked up 9.5 inches of rain just since the beginning of March, an inch and a half of rain just yesterday, and more rain is on the way. Another half-inch to inch of rainfall expected across the area today through at least the middle of the afternoon. I think the most concentrated rain comes through between now and mid-afternoon across the region, and at this point it looks like the best bet for severe weather tracks to our south. We have more dry weather on the way, at least a dry day here on Friday before the next round of rain comes in Saturday night into Sunday and Monday. And of course, want to remind you about some severe weather safety information. We had our first batch of severe weather yesterday, but remember lightning safety. Lightning can strike miles away ahead of a thunderstorm. Anytime you're close enough to a thunderstorm that you can hear the thunder, you are able to be struck by lightning. That's just the dynamics associated with it. If you can hear thunder, you could get struck by lightning, even if it's just a rumble off in the distance. By nature, lightning seeks the tallest objects around: boats, golfers, trees, and of course, if you're on a field, like a soccer field, you could be the tallest object around, and that would make you a potential lightning rod. And by the way, you need to seek shelter immediately. Again, anytime you're close enough to a thunderstorm to hear the thunder, you are close enough to possibly be struck by lightning. And again, we don't want a repeat of what happened yesterday in Portage, because we know that a very active pattern is certainly shaping up around the Great Lakes region. Here's a look at Storm Track Live, and you can see that area of precipitation that continues to stream in from south to north. The leading edge, again, of the moderate rain down in Allegan and Berry counties, Van Buren, Kalamazoo, Cass, Berrien, St. Joseph counties. That entire area will continue to stream in from south to north across the area today. Illinois, Indiana, Ohio. We are on the southern edge of on the northern edge of the severe weather threat for today, so it looks like the best dynamics for severe weather should track well to our south and east, at least for today. 51 degrees currently in Grand Rapids. It's 45 in Big Rapids, 46 in Fremont, 51 in Holland, 54 from Kalamazoo and Battle Creek down towards Sturgis and Coldwater. This is a 24-hour image of what's going to be happening, at least the weather in motion across the area today. And you can see here the rain. This is through noon today, and that rain definitely steady and heavy. By 6 o'clock this evening, the heaviest of the rain should be clearing out of the area. Winds wrapping around to the west-northwest, and at this point it looks as though temperatures tomorrow will make it only up to around 50 degrees for a high. With that brisk wind, we'll probably keep those wind chills during the day tomorrow, most likely in the 30s for most of the day, and a few more rain showers will be developing, but not the concentrated rain that we'll see in the area today. Again, we're dry here Friday and most of Saturday. Saturday's high should spike up to around 70 degrees before more showers and storms come in Saturday night into Sunday. And there you see the dry weather finally that starts to move in toward the middle of next week. And we do have a complete section on our website just to remind you of all those severe weather rules and the precautions that you need to take. Just head to woodtv.com and you can read all about that.
Tomorrow's the big day for Bill's summer forecast.
That's right, coming out tomorrow night at 10 and 11.
All right.
And then we'll have it, of course, Friday on daybreak if you can't stay up that late.
That's right. Thanks, Terry.